today let us discuss a case study on analog and digital systems. So you know that there are two types of systems, analog systems and digital systems. In the older days we were using analog systems everywhere, but now everything is digitized. So everywhere we are in need of digital electronics, and using these digital devices we are building several systems, and we are using it. Okay. So now we will discuss what is the analog signal systems and what is digital systems, what are the applications, all these things we will be discussing. So I'll give you a few minutes for discussing among yourselves. So each team you discuss, and after that I'll call upon any one team to explain about the case study of analog and digital systems. Okay, start your discussion. Okay, hope you would have discussed. So now shall I call upon any one team for explaining about the analog and digital systems? Mhm. Okay, your team, can you explain? Okay, first who's explaining? Okay, tell what is analog signal?
Hi everyone, now I am going to say about analog system. Naturally, analog system are used in temperature, sounds, lights, pressure. In analog system, we can use easily. It is very less expensive, easy to implement the when we compare to digital system. Analog in real time, analog system were used in olden days. It is very easy to handle. When we compare to digital system, the analog system did not want to convert the digital system.
Okay, next who's going to explain?
So I'm gonna say support the needs of digital system, which is the efficiency, the repetitive task, and also which is reduce the human errors and also speed up the processing. And the cost saving seems it reduces the manual labor, and also which is makes the long term service security, which produces the encryptions, and also which is stores the sensitive and protect the sensitive data, and accessibility, which enables the data information anytime anywhere. Seems about the customer experience, which improves the service, and also which seems the interactions through the digital system.
Okay, good. So next who's going to tell?
So let's see the comparison of analog and digital signals. Analog and digital signals differ in how they transfer the data, and which in depend on which is better depend on the situation. Here we see some comparison for few parameters like transmission. Analog signals can be transmitted in waves, and digital signals can be transmitted in ones and zeros. For accuracy, digital signals can be digital signals are more accurate than analog signals. For bandwidth, digital signals use less bandwidth than analog signals. For distance, digital signals can be transmitted over greater distance than analog signals. For noise, analog signals are susceptible to electronic noise than digital signals.
Next one, advantages and disadvantages. So let me just talk about the advantages and disadvantages of both analog and digital systems. So when we are coming to analog systems, they actually provide natural continuous signal representation, but they actually prone to distortion, noise, and over time the signals may get degraded. But they can be used only for simpler tasks that it is very difficult to upgrade. Whereas on the other side, the digital systems are actually very effective. Uh, the data transmission is very easy compared to the analog systems, and also it has more storage compared to the analog system. And the price wise, the digital systems are costlier than the analog system, but it does a lot of other works compared to the analog system, and hence it is worth it. So that is why the digital systems are used more nowadays in all the modern applications. Okay, there are several applications, right? So can you tell about the applications?
So I'm going to discuss about the applications of analog and digital systems. The applications of digital systems are, it is used for consumer product, and it is used for communication system, and it is also used for digital instruments. So and applications for analog systems, it is used for radio and audio equipment and in control system, and it is also used for amplify the signal and filter noise, etc. So these are the applications for analog and digital systems.
Okay, I would like to add one more point with your points. So you know that analog signals can be converted into digital signals. Okay, so how analog signal is converted into digital signal is, you will be taking an analog signal and you will be encoding it so that it is converted into a